Morning everybody, just a quick update from Dandilofts UK. Son of the late bred boy, full brother to late bred boy with one of the new Moulders Brachius. That's the father of a lot of the white ones that went out last year. Another Moulders Brachius. No, wait a minute, that's one of the generations, as David calls them, off of the performance pigeons. This is another full brother to late bred boy, now in America. That's 1975. That's one of David's generations from the performance pigeons. It's getting ready to lay very soon by the looks of it. That's another pair there. Maybe down further, hanging from my chops. It's a Schlomer Grizzle, one of the Moulders Brachius. Red grizzle lines up here. Come on. Another Moulders Brachius. Mainly cock up there with a stick-about hen we got from Moulders. We have another Moulders Brachius. Red grizzle lines. And we've got down here, we've got another Brachius hen there. Cocks from 2020 through here. We have now named Simon's Choice. That's the 540 with Belzer. Both from Moulders. There we go, Mr. Reliable, sitting his eggs due to hatch in the next couple of days. What have we got in here? That's a young bird from Big Bertha and a Moulders Brachius. That's another new pair of Moulders Brachius. Cock sitting the eggs. 774. That's a son of the base hen, sorry. That's a daughter of Heinzie. Both of them got the 500 line on one side. On the 38 cock, he's down here. Couple of nice young birds in there. And here we have the 210. She came from Ireland at the back end of last year. Never laid for Michael, but straight down on eggs for me. And here we have the 38. That's direct from the Nordman with Belzer, who's across there. And here we have two young birds from the cock above and the Nisa Paris. Through here we have another skull hen paired with the son of Big Daddy. That's the son of the Barcelona cock. Just two young birds in there. That's the son of the Green Lantern. He is rearing Heinzie's too. Then we have the skull hen with the daughter of the bin man. Two cracking youngsters in there. Son of the Hollander. Hello Heinzie boy. Have to shut him in periodically because he wants two nest boxes. He's with the daughter of the base pair. They've just hatched. That's a red grizzle lines, that hen. She's paired with the cock that was always paired with the 500. There's the white Schlomer cock paired with a daughter of 38 when she was paired to a sister of the 500, I believe. So 2 young'uns. One's got red grizzle in, one's got dark grizzle in. And these two in here are the first round from the Barcelona cock, when it was paired with a hen of the base pair. That's it so far. Everything's pretty much laying its second round. Performance pigeons are on the second round, just chipping. But I'm getting eggs left, right, centre now.